Into a wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's